Welcome to Istanbul, a city where ancient history collides with modern energy, where stunning architecture, vibrant streets, and a rich cultural tapestry await you at every corner. Whether you're wandering through historic mosques or exploring hidden gems in bustling bazaars, this city will steal your heart. I'm Mark from Travila, and today I'm sharing everything you need to know to make your trip to Istanbul unforgettable. Let's jump in and discover what makes this city so incredibly special. Looking for more insider travel tips? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a travel update from us. Best time to visit Istanbul. Let's start with the best time to visit Istanbul. The ideal months are from March to May and September to November. The weather is perfect for exploring the city's outdoor attractions, and the crowds are more manageable. If you visit between June and August, be prepared for larger crowds and higher hotel prices. On the flip side, December to February is the most affordable time to visit, though you may encounter chilly, rainy weather and occasional snow. Getting to Istanbul. Now, let's talk about how to get to Istanbul. Many travelers fly in via Turkish Airlines, though there are plenty of international carriers offering daily flights to the city. Istanbul has two major international airports, one on the European side and the other on the Asian side. There are direct flights from cities like New York, London, Milan, and Hong Kong, making it easy to find a connection from almost anywhere. Istanbul is also well connected to other European cities. You can drive or take a bus from destinations like Germany, Austria, France, Greece, and Switzerland. If you prefer trains, there are regular routes to Istanbul from cities like Budapest, Bucharest, and Sofia. For a more scenic route, you can also take a ferry from Greek islands or Italy. Getting around Istanbul. Getting around Istanbul is fairly easy. The city offers an extensive network of buses and trams that connect you to most major tourist areas. Keep in mind, though, that buses don't have maps and drivers don't announce stops, so be sure to pay attention to where you're going. Trams, on the other hand, are a reliable and simple option. For a fast and affordable way to get around, Istanbul's metro is a great choice, although many stations are still a bit of a walk from the top tourist attractions. Typical prices in Istanbul. Istanbul is a great city to visit on a budget. Hostel dorms cost around 400 Turkish lira, while budget hotel rooms start at about 1,000 lira. If you're looking for luxury, five-star hotels begin at around 3,500 lira. Booking in advance can help you score great deals. When it comes to food, breakfast typically costs around 90 lira, and a sit-down meal at a restaurant starts at 160 lira. Public transport is super affordable, with one-way tickets starting at 4 lira. Ways to save money in Istanbul. If you're looking to save while exploring Istanbul, there are a few great options. Grab an Istanbul public transport card. It's the easiest, most efficient, and cost-effective way to get around the city. Take advantage of free walking tours to explore the sights, and consider getting a city pass for significant discounts on paid attractions. We'll link to some of the best tourist cards in the description below. Also, many museums in Istanbul offer free entry on certain days, and you can find seasonal festivals that won't cost you a thing. Don't forget to check out the local markets for some bargain shopping too. Best things to do in Istanbul. Now, let's talk about the must-see spots in Istanbul. Start with the incredible Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque. Both are architectural masterpieces and awe-inspiring places to visit. You can even save money by booking discounted tickets online through services like Get Your Guide. Link in the description below. Next, explore the bustling Grand Bazaar, a colorful maze of stalls selling everything from spices to handmade goods. For something unique, visit the underground Basilica Cistern or head up to the Galata Tower for panoramic views of the city. And no trip to Istanbul is complete without a visit to the majestic Topkapi Palace. Want more tips on saving money in Turkey? Check out this video. And if you're curious about other beautiful cities in Europe, don't miss our next video. We hope you have an unforgettable time in Istanbul. Stay Travila and keep exploring. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos about travel tips, city guides, and adventure vlogs. Check out this playlist of my top travel videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.